How to reopen Instagram photos once already viewed. Have you ever viewed a photo on Instagram and later wanted to see it again, but couldn't find it? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to reopen Instagram photos after you've already viewed them. Let's get started. Step 1. Check saved posts. The first thing to check is your saved posts. If you've previously saved the photo, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines at the top right, then select Saved. Here, you'll find all the posts you've bookmarked. Step 2. Check your activity. Instagram keeps track of your interactions. To find a photo you've liked or commented on, go to your profile, tap the 3-line menu, select your activity, and then go to Interactions. Here, you'll see your liked and commented posts. Step 3. Check your browsing history. If you remember the username or hashtag related to the post, you can check your search history. Tap the search bar, and Instagram will show your recent searches. Try searching for the account or hashtag again. Step 4. Check the archive for stories. If the photo was in a story you posted, you can find it in your archive. Just go to Archive in the menu, and you'll see all your past stories saved there. If the photo was sent as a disappearing message, it can't be reopened unless the sender sends it again. If it's important, you can politely ask them to resend it. And that's how you can try to reopen Instagram photos after viewing them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.